So it's really good, guys, when you mixing it. Like, you have to mix it well so the tuna will disappear. So your kids won't, if your kids doesn't like fish or like that, so you won't notice like there's tuna in it. So just, it's really help if your rice is warm. It makes the coconut oil melt right away. So just keep mixing it. You can test it, guys. So yeah, this is good recipe because you know it's quick and then easy, and then it's affordable, and then it's very yummy. And the rice, if you're rice lover, this is a good recipe for you. So this is done. So this is the recipe: tuna rice, rice with tuna. So this is, guys, this is it, the recipe. The rice with tuna is really looks good and it's tasty. So yeah, it's really good. I'm gonna try it, guys. It's good. Yeah. So this is my lunch today. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed.